guys, welcome to the Generation Z YouTube channel, and today I'm going to be showing you how to do a double battery install on your 2015 and up Honda Pioneer. This right here is my dad's 2017 Honda Pioneer 1000. He got it a couple weeks ago, and I'm going to be doing an install because the Honda Pioneers have an electric transmission, so when you put a light bar and stereo and other lights and other accessories, winch, that will cause issues with your transmission because it's controlled with electric gearing. So this is the kit that I got. It is a true dual battery connection kit. Says UTV specific. This is highly recommended on Amazon. I think it was about $89, and it comes with everything you need to do the install. So yeah. Oh, also I got this battery off Amazon. Wiese is the brand. I think it was like $45, but you can't go wrong with that for a sealed battery. So yeah, let's get to it, and I'll bring you along the way. Alright guys, so I'm going to show you what comes in this kit here real quick, and it obviously comes with power cables. Here's I think this is 18-inch red power cable, but has the leads you need from each end. Then it comes with the isolator, and the isolator has a positive on one end and a negative, or a positive and a positive. The negative is connected in the back, and then you will just add that to your one of the grounds on your batteries, or you could put it on the frame, but I'm going to choose to put it on the battery just because it'll be a common ground for both batteries and on the overworld. Next you get two little boots, obviously, to cover up your things. Comes with a nice 3M Velcro strip to attach your isolator to wherever you want. Nice little negative ground, but I'm not going to be using that because, my dad's Pioneer has, some of them come with this, and it's kind of nice, I'll be honest. It is a extra ground. Not sure, I guess Honda put it on there just for your convenience for dual batteries, and it's wrapped up with tape right now, but I'll bring that around over here to where the battery is going to go, right in this little area. So I won't be needing that little ground they give me, but you can attach, if you don't have that extra ground, you can attach that to a frame, to the frame or whatever, a nice solid ground, and then it comes with your other positive cable to go from one end to your extra battery. So yeah, other than that, it comes with some pretty nice instructions, but I'll show you this actually. I'll give you a good example. Here you go. Pause the video if you need to, but it's pretty self-explanatory. It doesn't get it much easier than that. It does come with good instructions, but so yeah, let's get to it. In here, I'll show you. Here's what we're working with. It's not a whole lot of space, but we'll make do. And I've watched a couple other YouTube videos, and I'll link those in the description because I kind of am using this as a guideline. And also, if you want to go check out my other videos, I'll be putting up soon on installing a fuse box and panel switch for all the accessories, and to make it easier for you to install light bars and other things. That's another thing. I'll be putting up a video on installing a light bar and reviewing that. So yeah, let's get to it, and this shouldn't be too bad. Should be about hour job, but other than that, that's about it. Also, before I put you guys down, as you can see, I have installed a winch already, because you kind of have to do that before you do all this other stuff. So yeah, it was kind of a pain in the butt to wire up, but I made it work. So yeah, let's get to it. Alright guys, so a problem I'm running into is the battery that I got came with these real small bolts, and when I go to put this on, it's not very thick, the tip of that, but it's just enough to make it not be able to reach the nut that the battery came with. So I'm going to have to figure out a way to maybe go look over at the bolts bin and find a longer one. I may have to grind one down and do it that way, but whatever we can get to work would be awesome. So it kind of sucks, but it's what you gotta do when you're customizing things like that. Alright guys, so I found this right here. It fits real nice, but the problem is it's too long. It's almost too long, so I'm just gonna grind down a little bit of the tip of this and then go from there, because when I install the fuse box later, that'll be in another video, I'll have another lead on there, so this will work out just about right when I grind down a little bit of the tip off of this. So let's get to it. See if that works. Looks out good. Alright. Looks like that's going to be the way to go. So that's all you have to do. It's not a big deal. Got it all basically mostly installed. It's kind of a pain in the butt, to be honest. I finally got those new bolts in. I have them spaced out right now for when I install the fuse box, but you know, it wasn't all that bad. It was a little tricky routing that ground wire they give you around all from over here. It was kind of a pain to get it all back in here around to that battery, but it reached well. There's plenty of extra wire. it all went pretty smoothly. But I'm about to give it a test, see if everything's working out good. There she is. The 3M they give you, that strip did not stick for me. I'm not sure if it was just bad or what, but I'm not too worried about it. It's not going anywhere. You can see here it's a little jumpy, but if I need to, I'll put some screws. They give you little screw holes there. And I'm just gonna go without for now. But yeah, here goes the first startup. I don't know if you guys saw that, but it just kicked on. So that means it's feeding from this battery as well, and this battery's sending voltage to that battery now. And another thing I've seen, you guys decide to do this if you're ATV or UTV, whatever you call it, when you turn that off, that'll stay on until this battery over here gets the correct voltage. So both batteries will keeps it even, so that this battery's not overloaded and this battery doesn't have enough voltage. So yeah, I'm gonna turn this off real quick. So as you can see, I have it's all off, the key's all the way off, and that's still glowing blue. That's completely normal, if you guys are wondering. Alright guys, that's gonna be a wrap for today's video. It's not too bad. It took me about a good hour, but the main consumption of it was making sure I had the right size bolts so that I could get the leads on there and get them secured. What's up guys, it's a couple days later after I filmed the video for the dual battery install. I'll link everything down in the description below that I used to complete the job. Also, I filmed my intro video yesterday. I uploaded it yesterday, and it'd be awesome if you guys could go check that out if you haven't yet. And I thank you guys for watching Generation Works, and I'll see you next time. Peace.